Okay, now you can hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
So, below in your notebook you write, lovely, lovely means very beautiful. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely,
Yeah.
meaning of lovely is very beautiful.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? And one second. And shout means call or say loudly. Write in your book. Shout means call or say loudly. Okay?
Shout meaning
Call
for
or
for
or
or
say.
shout
No, meaning of shout is call or say loudly.
for or
Call or
or
say say
say.
loudly.
Ma'am.
Okay, now what did you understand in the story? Now you have to tell me in English only.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Long ago, the peacock.
So what did you understand?
Long ago, peacock.
Peacock had a
Lovely, wise, beautiful feathers.
so long ago means once upon a time. Okay, not now but long back. Okay, the peacock had a lovely voice. Lovely means very beautiful. Okay, so very beautiful voice and beautiful feathers. Okay, so then what happened? Every day, what did he do?
Walk in front of all the other animals.
Okay,
He liked to show off his beautiful feathers. The animals always smiled at him.
so because he had very beautiful feathers, so he liked to show off. He walked in front of the animals and show off his feathers. No, you have seen you have seen a peacock.
Yes, ma'am.
Peacock. Have you seen a peacock?
Yes, ma'am.
So you've seen, no? He's got nice, bright blue green feathers. Okay, so he is very proud. They always say proud as a peacock because peacock is very proud. Okay, so he thinks he is very beautiful because he has nice blue green color feathers. He thinks he is very beautiful. Okay, so he likes to show off in front of the other animals. Okay, now suppose you wear a new dress for school. You like to show off in front of your friends, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. Or if you get a new book or you get a new watch, anything, or a new earrings, you like to show off, no? Like that. So something which we feel very proud, we like to show off. Okay. So peacock's feathers were very pretty, no? So he liked to show off. So if all the animals were always smiling. Means every day, see, once if you wear show off and show your new dress, your friends will be happy. But every day if you say, see my new watch, see my new shoes, see my new socks, then your friends will get angry, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. So peacock, every day it was showing off, not today, tomorrow, yesterday, every day it was showing off. So naturally the friends got angry. Okay, so all the animals, what did they do?
But one day the animals were angry with him because he was proud and they ran away.
So because he was proud, they went away. I told you, every day if you say, oh, my watch is so nice, my house is so nice, my book is so nice, then your friends will not be like you. They will walk away. Okay?
Okay.
Then what did the peacock do?
The peacock shouted for them. He shouted and shouted all day long. Come back, he cried.
Okay.
But the animals did not come back. Soon his voice became bad.
So because he was shouting so much, what happened to his voice? Became
Became, he cried.
Huh?
Became bad.
Became bad. So because he was shouting, now suppose you shout, you must have seen, no? Sometimes when your teacher is angry, she will shout lots, no? Then her
Yes,
voice
ma'am.
only will go, no? If she keeps on shouting, Banu, come
Yes.
back. Whatever your friend's name is, come back. Don't do this. Don't do that. See, normally teacher talks softly, but if she shouts all the time, then her voice will go, no? Or if your mummy, she
ma'am.
gets angry with you and she shouts lots, then her voice also will go, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what happened to the peacock because he was so proud. His friends went away. Then he shouted to his friends, "Come back, come back!" But nobody is coming back because they are angry with him because he is proud. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then what happened after that?
Days went by. The peacock was very sad. He did not shout anymore. He had lost his lovely voice.
So what happened now? He lost. What happened?
He lost his lovely voice.
Yeah. Why? Because he was
shout anymore.
He could not shout anymore. Earlier, he was very proud. Then his friends went away. Because his friends went away, he shouted, "Come back, come back, come back." So therefore, his voice went away, no? So now he could not, he is not only sad, but he can't shout also. Okay? Both have things. So what did the monkey do?
A monkey saw the sad peacock and smiled. He told the animals how sad the peacock was. Soon they all came back. The peacock was very happy, but his voice never became lovely again.
So when the monkey saw the peacock was sad, what did he do? He told the animals?
Came back.
No, animals came back. Why? Because the monkey told the animals that the peacock was
very happy.
Very
happy.
Hey, first, what did the monkey say? He told the animals how sad the peacock was.
Smiled.
No, first the monkey smiled and told the animals how sad the peacock was. Okay. Hello?
Sad the peacock was.
So monkey said, see, because all the friends have gone, all animals have gone, the peacock is very sad. Okay. So the animals came back. Then now the peacock is very happy. Now suppose your friends are there and then because you are always shouting your friends go away, then you feel sad. Then your friends come back, you feel happy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
But because he was shouting so much before, now his voice has gone and his voice is never lovely again. Okay, you have seen, no? If your teacher, mummy shouts at you, if she's angry with you, then her voice only goes, no? It becomes ka 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 like that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you understood, no? Okay, now 1 minute. And what does this story say?
What does the story say? First one, long ago the peacock had a lovely bad voice. Lovely.
Okay.
Second one, the animals ran away because they very happy, angry with the peacock. Angry.
Very good.
Third one, the peacock lost his lovely voice because he shouted, smiled for a long time. Shouted.
Very good.
Fourth one, the peacock was angry, sad when the animals did not come back. Sad.
Very good.
Fifth one, now the peacock has a lovely bad voice. Lovely. Bad.
Why is it wrong? Because before it had a lovely voice. Now because it shouted, its voice is gone. So it is a bad voice. Okay?
Okay.
So you got one wrong. Okay. Then next one.
Learn not.
Answer carefully. Okay. Tell.
Sixth one, the princess wear a lovely old dress and we all liked it. Lovely.
Very good.
Seventh one, birds have feathers, hands. Feathers.
Very good.
Eighth one, baby Aarti smiled, cries when she is happy. Smile.
Okay.
Ninth one, Ram was a bad boy, so mother shouted, laughed at him, shouted.
Very good.
10th one, Feather
Father.
gave
Hey.
father give me
Gave.
gave me a rupee and I have found it lost.
Very good. Very good. Okay, now dictation.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Peacock.
Peacock. Yes, ma'am.
Lovely.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then voice.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then beautiful.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then feathers.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then walk.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then animals.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then smiled.
Yes, ma'am.
Then shouted.
Yes, ma'am.
Then cried.
Cried.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then monkey.
Yes, ma'am.
Then happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Then again.
Again. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then how many words over?
13.
13. Okay. Then away.
Away.
Ran away, no? Away.
Yes, ma'am.
Then always.
Always.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then princess. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then dress.
Yes, ma'am.
Then laughed.
Yes, ma'am.
How many over?
18.
Okay. Then rupee.
Yes, ma'am.
Then uh, because.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely.
Yes, ma'am.
Then voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Then beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
Then feathers.
Yes, ma'am.
Then show off.
Show.
Show off.
दो भी एक ही है मैम.
Two words together you write. एक ही word. Show off. What is the meaning of show off?
Show off. Show off पता नहीं.
Show off means you feel very proud because you like something, so you'll purposely again and again you will show that thing, no? Like supposing I told you you've got a new dress, so you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
show off your new dress in front of your friends, no? So purposely you'll wear your new dress and you'll walk in front of your friends. You will say, "See my dress," all that. That is called showing off.
Okay.
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 Okay. Then shouted.
Yes, ma'am.
Then proud.
Proud of.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then smiled.
Yes, ma'am.
Then soon.
Huh?
Soon.
Soon. Yes,
What's the
ma'am.
meaning of soon?
Jald.
Jaldi. Okay. But actually, yeah. Okay. But you must talk in English. Okay. Then became.
Became.
Okay.
हाँ मैम became मतलब वापस आ गए.
Hey, you must talk in English. Became means
Sorry.
what was there before, now it has come again. Okay.
Okay.
Then what is this? Never.
Okay.
What's the meaning of never?
Never मतलब कुछ
Huh?
कुछ भी नहीं.
कुछ भी नहीं is nothing. Never means not ever.
Not ever.
कभी भी नहीं मतलब never. Okay, not ever.
Okay ma'am.
I shouldn't tell you in Hindi but in English. Okay. Then loudly.
Okay ma'am.
Then second. Smiled.
Smiled. Finished ma'am.
Finished, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Then shouted. Shouted finished?
Shouted. Finished ma'am.
Okay. Then angry.
No ma'am.
Angry.
Yes ma'am.
Then wore. Princess wore a lovely dress. No, wore.
Old.
Wore. Prince wore a lovely dress. Bhanu wore a lovely dress. That means
Wore. क्या मैम angry next.
wore a lovely dress means you put it on. Okay. Put on.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now suppose I say you put on your cap means Bhanu wore a cap. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Then
Ma'am word what ma'am?
wore. W-O-R-E. Wore.
W-O-R-T.
Yes. R-E.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Then feathers.
Feathers. Yes ma'am.
How many words over?
15.
15. Okay. Enough. Okay. Now in the passage you tell me the nouns and verbs. First we start
Ma'am, Akbar Birbal story, ma'am.
What?
Akbar Birbal story.
You have written? Where have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Where? You didn't You didn't send it to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you send? That day you said you're sending. 1 minute. When did you send? Oh, the previous day homework. Oh, 1 second. I didn't see this at all. The lost sheep. 1 second. Oh, in this you wrote. 1 minute. This one we checked it, the mistake.
What, ma'am?
Dictation for 20 seconds. Have we already checked it?
Dictation
20 seconds. I don't think we have checked it, Ma. When did you send it afterwards? I think you didn't have a phone, no? Then you sent it after the class or something.
Yes, ma'am. Dictation is 20.
You have sent it? I mean, you have finished it?
Yes, ma'am.
That I'll tell you the word. 1 minute.
Ma'am, आपको भेजा है ना?
भेजा तो है. You have sent it. But did we read it? हमने पढ़ा था क्या?
No.
So that's what I'm saying. See, I will check that dictation. 1 minute. First one is, what is it? Diamond. Okay. then paisa, then 8, then honey, okay, then jar, then lamp, then what is 7, ma? Brought,
brought.
Oh, yo, what's the spelling? B-R-O-U. Do the correction. B-R-O-U.
B-R-O-U.
G-H-T.
G-H-T, okay.
Brought, okay. Then water, better, thirsty, okay. Then hungry, then see here, 12 is nothing. You've written noting. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. The H you have to write.
H करते हैं.
Number 12, N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Okay?
N-O-T-H-I-N-G.
Yes. Then 13 follows. Anyone, things, unhappy, please, answered, glasses, pencil. Okay. Then question, lesson, people, teacher, shirt. Okay. This is okay. Actually, 1 minute. Okay.
Yes,
this is done. Then where are the sentences? Here. My class teacher's name. Apostrophe S.
है ना मैम.
नहीं, apostrophe you have not written. You've written my class teacher name.
मैम just check.
What?
Check करके है मैम आप ये.
We finished checking, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then where is Akbar Birbal, ma? I can't find it. No, you have not sent, ma.
Ma'am, Akbar Birbal store.
You have not sent. नहीं भेजा.
Ma'am, आप भेजो.
नहीं है माँ, मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा. एक मिनट. 21st को भेजा क्या? तब when did you send it?
No, ma'am, 24 को भेजा था.
24 को I didn't get anything, eh? No.
The person you are speaking with has put your call on hold. Please stay on the line.
24, okay.
okay.
Okay, here, okay. Akbar and Birbal. Okay, I found it. Okay, Akbar and Birbal. Once a grand function was arranged in the palace and everyone was enjoying themselves. Okay. Akbar was in his best outfit and was talking. Okay, now let me see whether you understand what you have written. Okay. Once a grand function was. Okay, you read it yourself first. First read and tell me, then let's see what you understand.
Once a grand function was arranged in the palace and everyone was enjoying themselves.
Okay, so what did you understand?
Ma'am, Hindi में.
नहीं, no Hindi.
Once a grand function.
What is the meaning of grand? What is the meaning of grand?
Grand meaning मतलब मुझे हिंदी में पता है.
No, you have to tell me in English. Grand means very big. Okay. Now for your Ramzan you had no, not Ramzan. For your sister's baby's naming you had very grand function, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. Grand means very big function. Okay. So there was once a very big function in the palace, and everybody was enjoying themselves. Now, when you had the baby's function, everybody was happy, no? Everybody was enjoying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next one, Akbar was
in his best outfit and was talking to the
courtiers. Courtiers means the people who came to see the king. Okay. Now, suppose you must have seen, no? Have you seen any on TV? Have you seen Parliament or anything? Have you seen Prime Minister Modi?
Yes, ma'am.
So with that, you see other ministers, other people, no, who go behind him. Dekha hai na? You must have seen, no? Like that. So those days there was a king, and with the king, the people who came to see him or who were close to him, they are called courtiers. Okay. So Akbar was in his best outfit. That means what?
Where is Birbal?
No. Akbar was in his best outfit. What's the meaning of that? What is outfit?
Outfit.
What's the meaning of outfit?
दूसरी जगह.
Outfit means your dress. Okay.
क्या?
Dress.
Oh.
Now I say Banu is wearing her best outfit for today's party. Okay. That means your best dress. Okay. You have lots of dresses, but today you are wearing the best dress. Because Akbar is giving a party, he is wearing his best dress. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, where is Birbal? Okay.
I don't find him here. Birbal arrived late for
arrived. That means came late. Okay.
Late for a function, and the emperor was displeased.
Displeased. What's the meaning of displeased?
Displeased.
What's the meaning of?
उनको काम बाहर निकाल बोलते हैं काम से.
No, वो तो बाद में है. Was displeased means he was angry. He is not pleased. Pleased means happy. Okay. So displeased means not happy. That means unhappy or angry. Okay.
Okay.
I am displeased with you.
I am displeased with you, Birbal. What made you to come so late? Okay. Your Majesty, my child was crying. Child was crying, and I had to pacify him.
Very good. Pacify. That means when somebody is crying, no, you rub their back and you say, no, don't cry. No, now you must have seen your Didi's baby. If the baby is crying, then you will carry it and say, don't cry, no, and you'll shake it or you'll sing to it and all, no. That is called pacify. So that they don't cry. Okay. Then.
What a silly reason. Does it take so long to calm a child? Calm a child.
That means somebody who's crying, to make that child quiet. Calm means to be quiet. Now, if your Didi's child is crying a lot, to make it calm, you will sing to it or you will shake it, you will rock it, no? All that will be to make it calm. Okay?
Okay,
then, yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, Your Majesty. It seems that you know nothing about child rearing.
That means to make a child big. Now you must have seen, no? If your Didi leaves the child, then the child will start crying loudly, then nobody can sleep and all, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So Akbar doesn't know. Akbar is one big king. The child, his wife or servant or somebody must have looked after, no? So Akbar didn't look after, so he doesn't know that when a child cries, you have to sing to it, you have to shake it, then only it will be quiet. So he says, you know nothing about child rearing, to make a child big. Okay, you pretend.
No, you pretend to be a child and I shall act as your father.
So now you be the child and I will be your father. Okay, now I will show you.
I will show you how you should have dealt with your child.
That means how you must look after or how you must treat a child. I will show you, because Akbar doesn't know anything about a child. No, his child must be somewhere with the servant, with the this thing in the palace. Whereas here Birbal has to look after the child himself. Okay. So he says, I will show you how to do it. Now, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, why do you take such a risk? No, go ahead. Act like a child and ask me for whatever your child has asked you. I want a cow. God, bring a cow.
What is guards, no? Like watchman, chokidar. Okay? Bring a cow. Okay. Then?
A cow was Both.
Not bought, brought. Bought means I pay money and I buy. Brought means bring it here, no? Brought, not missed out the R. Okay, brought to the palace. Okay.
Brought to the palace.
Uh,
I want its milk. I want its milk. Okay, my son, don't cry. I will ask them to give you the milk.
Okay.
They now called the god. The cow was milked, and the milk was offered.
Offered. That means given to the child. Okay.
Okay. Offered to Birbal.
Okay. That's all, huh?
No, ma'am.
Next page. Okay. He
drank little and then
not drink, drank.
Drank.
Sense, no, he already drank. Drank a little and
drank little and then handed the bowl back to Akbar. There is little left over, child. Finish it. Is off.
Okay.
No, now put the rest of it back into the cow. What? Put it back and put it back. Put it back. Emperor was stunned.
Stunned. That means shocked. How can you put the milk back? Once you have taken the milk from the cow, can you put it back in the cow? You have you seen that milk being taken from the cow?
Yes.
You've seen, huh? So now, suppose I don't want that milk, can I put it back in the cow?
No.
But this child, like all children don't have so much sense, no? They are not so clever. So the child is saying, I don't want this milk, I drank little, now rest you put it back to the cow. You can't do that. So like that, now Akbar understands how difficult it is to calm a child. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because Akbar said, oh, what is so great? Why you can't put the child quiet? You have seen, no, how your Didi keeps on singing, rocking the child, everything. Only then the child will be quiet. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. So Akbar didn't understand. Now he understood because Birbal is very clever. No, he knows how to tell Akbar everything. So he told Akbar why it was so difficult to make the child calm. That means to make the child stop crying. Okay, you understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So okay. So now I'll send you the homework, and next time we'll. Today is what, Wednesday. So Friday I'll send you homework, and you make sentences. And what topic you'll write about? Will you write about rain? It's raining here, no? Is it raining near your house?
Yes, ma'am.
Here also it's raining very heavily. So will you write about rain?
Okay, ma'am.
10 sentences you write. Don't look on the net or anything. I write by yourself. Whatever you like. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll see you next on Friday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.